8, you are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港史丹大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by, the launch door has
發
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射集束嘅光效。
That's the enemy!
打爛咗道門，唔好意思。
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅燃反應能源器。
Okay, fine. Wait, what? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻返去科警車。
Jarvis, you need to lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該曬，史特先生。飛行穩定器恢復正常。
Just to be clear, this is not part of the tour.
如果燃反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know, Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Whoa! Get out of here! Go! Nice work! Let's get you back to the expo. Miss me?
史特先生。
One, two, three! Get more, Jarvis! Blast them! Good job!
感應器顯示，所有機械人已被毀滅。
All robots destroyed?
史特先生小心。
I am really... Go, go, go! That's not all trouble stuff. Okay, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, how are we going to take this thing out?
我哋需要增強火力。
More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys.
啟動所有無人駕駛嘅甲部。史特先生。
Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Okay, fire!
我發現咗佢嘅弱點。
You found his weakness. Well, shoot that! Go, go, go! Hi, how are you? Enjoying the tour? Hey. Oh,
所有乘客安全無恙。
Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Thank you so much. Your power's failing. Show me the grappling cables.
先放咗。
Okay, now let's get all of you back to the expo.
史特先生，我哋就嚟到晒啦。
Don't worry, Jarvis. I got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cable. Welcome back. We saved the arc reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. No, dummy. Don't even... No, okay, that's it. I'm turning you into a coin press machine. Hey, Wendy!
請帶齊你嘅隨身物品，喺右手邊離開。多謝。Please retrieve your belongings and exit to the front。請帶齊您的隨身物品，並從右側離開。
这样吗？右侧走那边。